Did you know one simple cup of herbal tea can lower your stress, improve your sleep, and even protect your heart? It might sound too good to be true, but this natural remedy really works. Let me show you how it helps your body stay calm and strong, even in the most stressful times. Every single day, millions of us wake up feeling exhausted, anxious, and completely overwhelmed, never realizing that our bodies are under a silent attack. This invisible threat doesn't show up with sudden pain. Instead, it works quietly, breaking down your defenses one day at a time until your body just can't fight back. You might think stress is just a normal part of life, something we all have to accept. We live in a fast-paced world with endless deadlines and pressure, right? But here's a truth that will change everything you thought you knew about stress. While a little bit of stress can make you stronger like a good workout builds muscle, chronic stress becomes a poison that slowly damages you from the inside out. When your brain senses any kind of threat, it triggers what scientists call the HPA axis. This is an ancient survival system that floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone. In prehistoric times, this saved our ancestors from predators. But in today's world, this life-saving mechanism has turned against us. What happens next will explain why you feel tired even after a full 8 hours of sleep. Imagine cortisol surging through your veins. Your heart rate spikes, your focus sharpens, and your blood sugar skyrockets for quick energy. Your breathing gets faster, your muscles tense up, your body is ready for a fight. This is great if you're running from a lion, but what if it's happening every single day for months or even years? Your body gets trapped in a constant state of emergency, never getting a chance to rest, repair, and recover. The consequences of this are like a horror story written by your own body. Your immune system gets weaker, leaving you vulnerable to every bug that comes your way. Your digestion slows down because your body thinks it's fighting for survival and can't be bothered with processing food. Your blood sugar stays high, paving the way for weight gain, especially around your belly where cortisol loves to store fat. But the most terrifying effect happens in your brain. Chronic stress literally shrinks the parts of your brain responsible for memory and decision-making while enlarging the fear center. This is why you feel anxious, forgetful, and can't think clearly when you're stressed. Your brain gets rewired for anxiety, creating a vicious cycle where stress just breeds more stress. For decades, the medical world has treated these symptoms with powerful drugs that have serious side effects and don't fix the root cause. But ancient healers knew something that modern medicine is only now rediscovering. Nature holds the most powerful solutions, often hidden in plain sight. Enter lemon balm, a humble herb that's been growing in gardens for over 2,000 years. This unassuming plant, with its gentle, lemony scent, holds the key to unlocking your body's natural ability to heal from chronic stress. While companies spend billions on synthetic drugs, this simple herb works in perfect harmony with your body. The secret is lemon balm's amazing ability to boost GABA, a neurotransmitter that acts like your brain's natural brake pedal. When you have enough GABA, stress signals slow down, racing thoughts become calm, and your whole nervous system shifts from high alert to peaceful awareness. Unlike prescription meds that force changes, lemon balm gently supports your body's own healing process. What happened in a recent sleep study will make you want to try this tonight. Multiple scientific studies have confirmed lemon balm's incredible effects. People who drank lemon balm tea regularly showed major reductions in anxiety, slept better, and had lower cortisol levels. Even more impressively, these benefits appeared within just a few days. They reported feeling more mentally clear and emotionally balanced than they had in years. The beauty of this is its simplicity. You don't need expensive treatments or risky medications. A simple cup of lemon balm tea, prepared with intention, can start transforming your health right away. But it's crucial to make sure you're getting real lemon balm, not lemongrass. They're often confused but have completely different properties. The transformation people experienced in just 7 days will inspire you to take action. The ritual of preparing the tea is part of the healing. As you steep the leaves in hot water, watch the color change, and breathe in the calming aroma, you're already shifting your nervous system from stress to relaxation. This daily practice becomes a sacred pause in your busy life, a moment of self-care. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning feeling genuinely refreshed, not exhausted. Picture handling stressful situations with calm confidence instead of anxiety. Envision your body returning to a healthy weight as your cortisol levels normalize. Think about having the mental clarity to make better decisions and the emotional stability to enjoy deeper relationships. But be careful. There's one crucial mistake that could make this remedy completely useless. The most powerful part of this natural solution is that it addresses the root cause, not just the symptoms. While drugs often create dependency, Lemon Balm helps restore your body's natural balance. Your body knows how to be healthy. It just needs a little gentle support to get back on track. This isn't just about drinking tea. It's about reclaiming control over your health and refusing to accept chronic stress as a normal part of life. Every cup of lemon balm tea is an act of rebellion against a culture that glorifies burnout. It's an investment in your long-term happiness. Your journey to healing begins with a single decision. Tonight, as you get ready for bed, consider brewing your first cup of lemon balm tea. Hold it in your hands, breathe in its gentle scent, and promise yourself that you deserve to feel calm, healthy, and strong. Your body has been waiting for this. With each sip, you're not just drinking tea, you're drinking hope, healing, and the promise of a better tomorrow. The power to transform your health is literally in your hands. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, calmer life. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.